Hello students, I hope you have already executed the first program and the second program, that is frequency of presence of an element in an array, and the second program is insert an element into the array. Okay, this is the third program, that is delete an element from an array. Delete an element from an array. I will just explain you the flow of program, and the input should be taken and the what is the output. Okay, here we have defined a class deletion. Class is a keyword, deletion is a user defined class name, and under class and in class definition you have declared int m of 100. M of 100 is an array n element position under private access specifier, and member functions under public access specifiers, and you are going to define your member functions outside of your class using scope resolution operator. Okay, the program flow starts with your main function. The program starts with your main function. In main function, what is the first statement? Deletion D. Deletion D. That is, deletion D means creation of an object. Creation of your object, that is, creation of your object means allocating memory for your class. Allocating memory for your class. What is the first statement here? You are calling member function, that is d dot get data of. D dot get data of. ಹೇಗೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ member function name. Okay, as soon as this statement is executed, the get data function will be executed. Under get data function, what are the statements we have? Cout how many elements. Already you have defined an array of size 100. 100 size in a array anna declare ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. In 100 you are going to select some value. Suppose I will be giving it as 5. What is the value of n? That is 5. Okay, means in 100 you are selecting 5 places. This is array m. Okay, and array index starts with 0. M of 0, m of 1, m of 2, m of 3, and m of 4. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Enter the elements. You are going to enter the elements. 5 elements you are inserting: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You know the working of for loop, so again I will not explain here. Okay, next enter the position. Position ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ p as 3. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 0 to n-1 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 0, the array index starts with 0 and ends with n-1 position. So you need to give the positions from 0 to n-1. I will give p as 3. Here n equal to 5, p equal to 3. Okay, next control comes to the main function. In main function, what is the next statement? D dot remove. You are calling remove function. Remove function. As soon as this statement is executed, remove function control comes to remove function, and remove function body will be executed. What is the statement here? What is the function body here? If p is greater than n-1. If p is greater than n-1. What is the value of n? 5. 5 minus 1 andre 4. What is the value of p? 3. Is 3 greater than 4? 3 greater than 4, condition becomes false, right? If condition is false means the statements inside of your if loop does not execute. What happens? Statements outside of your if will be executed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು if ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಫ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? 3 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 4. ಈಸ್ 3 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 4? ಈಸ್ 3 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 4? ನೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಫ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಲೂಪಿನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? First statement is element equal to m of p. What is the value of p? 3. m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? This is assignment operator. What you are doing? m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. What is the value of m of 3? m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 40. m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 40. 40 is assigned to ELE. 40 is assigned to ELE. What is the next statement? For int I equal to p plus 1. What is the value of p? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. I value ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? 4. I equal to p plus 1. P value is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And I value becomes 4 now. What is the value of n? 5. Is 4 less than 5? 4 less than 5. Condition is true. 4 is less than 5, right? Condition is true. If condition true ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? For loop ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? m of I minus 1. m of I minus 1. What is the value of I? 4. Minus 1 equal to m of 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ m of 4 ಇನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. m of 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? m of 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಇದೆ. 50 is stored in m of 3. Okay. Next, n minus minus. What is the value of n? n value is 5, right? 5 minus minus. This is decrement operator. ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? n minus minus ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ n is decremented by 1. n minus minus 1 is equal to n minus 1. n is decremented by 1. Okay? n value ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 5 ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ n value ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 4 ಆಯ್ತು. Okay? Next, I will be incremented by 1. I will be incremented by 1. What happens now? I value becomes 5. I value becomes 5. Next, is 5 less than 5? Sorry, what is the new value of n? 4. 5 less than 4? Is 5 less than 4? No, right? Condition becomes false. Condition false ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? For loop ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. For loop ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? Cout element is successfully removed. What is the value of ELE? Value of ELE is 40. Value of ELE is 40. What happens now? 40 is successfully removed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 40 is successfully removed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, again the control comes to your main function. In main function, what is the next statement? D dot display of. D dot display of. As soon as this statement is executed, display function will be called. Okay, display function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, the array elements are for int I equal to 0, I less than n. n value ಏನಿದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ. Okay, I plus plus m of I ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, what will be the output? For I equal to 0, is 0 less than 4? True. M of 0 ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ value, m of 0 ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ value display ಇತ್ತು. Next, I will be incremented by 1. I will be incremented by 1. Right? Is 1 less than 4? True. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, m of 1 ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ statement value display ಆಯ್ತು. That is 20. Again, I will be incremented by 1. Now, what is the value of I? It is 2. Is 2 less than 4? Condition is true. M of 2 aliruvanತಹ value displayed, that is 30. Again, I will be incremented by 1. I becomes 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes. What happens? 3, M of 3 aliruvanತಹ value display ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is that? M of 3 aliruvanತಹ value 50. Next, I will be incremented by 1. This time I becomes 4. Is 4 less than 4? No. Condition becomes false. Control comes out of your display function and it comes to main function. Main function alli kuda it's a end of main function. Allige program execution is completed. What will be the result? The final result will be before the deletion, what was the array element? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Now, in array element anna tagondidvi 10, 20, 30, 40. After deletion, what is the array element? 10, 20, 30, 50. ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ 40 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. m of 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ 40 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now, the array size is, before the array size was 5. Now, after deletion, the array size was 4. Before, the array size was 5. After deletion, the array size was 4. Okay. Suppose ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ while taking p value, if you give value ಈಗ 0 to n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, 0 to 4 position ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. Suppose if I give 6, if I give p as 6, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First condition is 6 greater than n minus 1. What is the value of n? 5. 6 is greater than 5. Sorry, 6 is greater than 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. P value is 6. Is 6 greater than 5? 4. Condition becomes true. Condition true ಆದರೆ if loop ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ statement execute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು? P is an invalid position. What is the value of P? 6. 6 is an invalid position. Okay, exit 0. What is the use of exit? Exit is used to exit the if loop, or the control will come out of your if loop. Okay, this is the working of your third program, that is deletion of an element into the array. What is the difference between insert an element into the array and deletion of an element into from an array? While inserting an element into the array ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ array size will be increased. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ array size ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರೇಯಿಂದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ array size ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 ಇತ್ತು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 ಇತ್ತು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಮ್ 6. ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇ ಸೈಜ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ flow of your program tree, that is deletion, delete an element from an array. Okay, just execute this program. If you have any doubt means you can ask me. Thank you.